today we're on our way to Audi to go for a test drive with an Audi technician, because we do seem to have a bit of a gearbox issue on this car. If you've been following this little series, you'll know that we've got a bit of a problem when it comes into reverse. With that being said though, sod's law, the car is running absolutely fine. There is no issues, and even the engine light's gone off. So I don't know what's going on, but we're going to go and have a look, get it sorted and get a professional opinion as to what's going on. Welcome to Salvage Diaries. Yeah. There. Oh, that's because the door's open, I think. But it don't seem like it's doing it now. I've got a video on my phone I can show you. So basically, the gentleman's gone in to check the history of the car on the system. We haven't gone out for a drive in it just yet. So I don't even know if we will end up going for a drive. Yeah. What do you reckon?
I don't know, but he seems like he reckons it's just because it's been left, and it might be just an oil change on the gearbox.
So we're doing oil change, gearbox change, fuel serviced a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what we're going to have to do.
The more you drive it, the more better we get.
There's a lot of fuel in there though.
There
it's
is.
like 3/4 of a tank. Do you want to put that in your motor? You would actually do it.
Take it, I'll take it. I'll save me a little.
No, you got to pay for it. Yeah, we're at the parts department at the moment. We'll come back in once we know what's what. Okay, so we've just spoken to the technician. We didn't end up going for a drive. A bit disappointed, to be fair, because I was looking forward to taking for a little spin. But basically, it just needs driving. It's why is that right off? Yeah, the car just needs driving. We need to change the fuel. Shame it's got just under a full tank. It's got 3/4 of a tank, so we need to drain the fuel, put new fuel in it. The gearboxes on these are lifetime. They don't need to be serviced. That's what the technician said. I don't know how true that is. Must be quite true because it's come from an Audi technician, which surprises me the most, that the gearbox doesn't need servicing. But yeah, so we're just gonna go around now and speak to the guys in Audi in the sales department. See if they can offer some money for this car.
Yeah. He said as well about the A3s, it's usually the A1s that have problems.
Yeah, the A1s that suffer with the gearbox problems, these not so much, so the gearbox is alright. But yeah, it hasn't come on with the lights anymore, so pan the cams around. So we're just pulling in now. We're gonna see what they're gonna offer us.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed indeed. I'm gonna park it right there. What do you reckon?
It's really not a bad car.
So we're speaking to Peter. Peter's gone into Paul. His name Paul? Yeah. Paul's gone in to get us a price on what they would offer us for the car. It is a little bit older than what they would like. He's going to go and see what he can do. Peter's coming out now. I mean Paul.
Have a look. It's not going to be for me.
No.
What I have done, just printed off the history for you.
Oh, perfect.
It's not much on there, but it might help you when you go and try and sell it. It's got something there anyway.
Perfect.
It's just, this age of car, people buying it from an Audi main dealer expect a new car.
Yeah.
If they buy a new car or a 10-year-old car, the expectation's the same.
Yeah.
And just the history element of it, and where it's been sat for a period of time, it just, too many questions get asked, and it becomes quite difficult.
Yeah.
But selling it privately, independent site or something, you'll do really well with it.
What do you reckon we'd get for it privately? We won't hold you to it, but what?
Probably 11 grand.
Really?
Something like that.
We paid $4.5 grand for this.
Well, you've done well. Yeah, I would probably, if it had proper history, I'd probably pay 7 or 8 for it.
Yeah.
So
okay, that's fine.
Even if you could 9,995 it.
Yeah. We was looking around 9, innit?
Yeah, I think 10 grand it, and you do
take
well
it from
out
there.
of it.
Top man.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thanks for taking the time. See you later. So, yeah, it's not for them.
They just prefer
newer cars. Yeah, because of the way it's been sat for a while.
Sense,
the service, he's got everything here though. The service on the car is it has got some service history. 6,000. Why is that? We're gonna service the car, service the engine, we're gonna change the oil, change the air filter, and then we have ordered 3 new tyres because 3 of the tyres are perished on the sides of it, which just where it's been sat for a while, and apparently the battery needs to be coded, but 2 people said 2 different things. So yeah, we're going to service it, and then what we're going to do, actually, we're going to do a video. We're going to take it to We Buy Any Car and see what they offer us on the table. That'll probably be in the next video, because it's performing excellent, which we're not going to complain about because less problems to solve. But not for them. It's a bit too old. The service history, it's not where they need it to be. But that's absolutely fine. So Paul reckons that we could get around 11 grand. He said 11 grand, didn't he?
Yeah.
Which is incredible stuff. So yeah, this little series is just getting better and better. So we're gonna head back now. We're gonna give it a service. Yeah. Cheers, Paul.
Nice one, Paul.
Cheers, mate. Okay, so we've just on our way back from the Audi dealership. So we're going to go in the next one. We're going to take it to We Buy Any Car, get them to evaluate the car. On the website it's saying £9,000, but they always knock stuff down, so they always knock the price down. So we're going to go there and then see what they offer, and then assess where we are with it, whether we try and sell it privately or we sell it to either We Buy Any Car or another car buying place. So that's going to be an interesting one. We'll go there next. We've still got to service the car. We'll get that done off camera. That's not really too interesting, but if not, join us in the next one where we take this car to We Buy Any Car to see what they offer us for our Audi. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.